In this video, we're going to show you how to charge your AirPods. So the first method is to use a cable. So the first step is to place your AirPods into the charging case, which is optional. If your AirPods don't need charging, you can charge the case on its own. While the case is charging, you can take the chance to clean the AirPods, or you can use the AirPods normally. Step 2 is to close the AirPod case. You won't be able to charge it if it's open. Step 3, plug the lighting connector into the bottom of the case. Use the lighting cable that came along with your AirPods. Step 4 is to place a USB connector into a USB port or charger. For fastest results, use an iPhone or iPad USB charging block. There is a status light on the inside in the case between the AirPods. It will turn solid green when the charging is complete. Method 2 is using a charging mat. So plug in a QI certified charging mat. You can wirelessly charge your MagSafe charging case or wireless charging case with a compatible mat. You can purchase compatible charging mats at the Apple website. Step 2 is place your case on the charging mat. Make sure that the lid is closed and the status light is facing up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.